Alright, so in this problem we also have a product, which is two things being multiplied together, in this case 9 and x squared, and that product is being raised to a power, to the 3/2 powered. So first we need to say what happens when we raise a product to a power. So if we had AB raised to the x, we take the first term and we raise it to the power. So a to the x, and then we take the second term and raise it to that power. So a to the x times b to the x. So if we go to our problem, our first term is a 9, and we want to raise that to the 3/2 power. 9 to the 3/2 power. And then we want to multiply that with our second term, which is x squared, and we want to raise that to the 3/2 power. So x squared to the 3/2 power. And let's go ahead and start with the simpler one, which is 9 to the 3/2 power. So what does that mean? 9 to the 3/2 power. Well, that means that we are going to raise the base to the power that's the numerator of the fraction. So we'll start with that. 9 to the 3rd. And then the denominator is the root that we're going to take of that. So we're going to take the square root of 9 to the 3rd. And normally we don't write that 2 out there, but I'm just writing it so you know that it came from the denominator here. So again, 9 to the 3/2 is the square root of 9 cubed. So now let's go ahead and see if we can simplify that. 9 cubed is 9 times 9 times 9. And 9 times 9 times 9 is 729. And the square root of 729 is 27. Because 27 times 27 gets you 729. So we see that 9 raised to the 3/2 power equals 27. Now let's go ahead and look at this. So what does it mean when you have x squared and that's raised to the 3/2 power? When we have something raised to a power which is then raised to another power, what we do is we multiply the exponents. So we're going to multiply 2 and 3/2, which is going to give us 6/2, which reduces to 3. So all of this, x squared to the 3/2 power, is x to the 3rd. And the last little bit of our problem is just to multiply these things. 27 times x cubed is 27x cubed, and that is our final answer.